Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, striking card using the Beauty of Friendship stamp set. This is a card I cased from Ali Schilling. The Beauty of Friendship stamp set is the featured product in the September Creativity to Go, which is now open for registration. For $37, you'll receive this stamp set plus prepared supplies and tutorials to make 5 cards with your new stamp set. You can also choose to join the optional Zoom crafting class where we will meet and assemble the cards together. You can subscribe to Creativity to Go from anywhere in Canada, so this is a great option for those of you who aren't ready to attend in-person crafting classes or who don't live local to Nanaimo. Here's the link to register for this month's Creativity to Go, and I'll also add the link to the video description. The measurements for this card are very simple. A card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a piece of white cardstock that's 4 by 5 1/4, and an extra piece of white cardstock that's cut to 1 inch wide. Let's start with some stamping. I'm going to stamp the tree trunks along the bottom of my white cardstock and then add the leaves. Now, one of the things I love about this stamp set is the incredible texture and dimension that these stamps have. They create a finished result that looks like I have used 2 different stamps and 2 different ink pads to create the leaves, but in fact, it's just one stamp. Here's an example of all 4 stamps in the same color to give you an idea of what you can create with these gorgeous images. Now I'm going to stamp my sentiment onto this scrap white cardstock and use the banner's pick-a-punch to punch one end. I'm going to add some texture to this cardstock by running it through the embossing machine with my Tasteful Textile embossing folder. Now I want to add some subtle color in the sky here to make it maybe an evening scene. I've punched out a small circle from a Post-it note, which I'm going to use as a mask to create the moon. I'll lightly brush ink onto the cardstock using my blending brush. And I want to make it look like the moon is shining in the sky, so I'm going to add a little bit of yellow just around the moon. And now I take that mask away, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card if you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. And good news! In-person classes are coming back in September. You can now sign up for virtual and in-person classes via my website. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online or in-person party. Drop me a line for more details. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inky Fingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!